evaluating polynomial function. So to evaluate the polynomial function, substitute the given x or the given value of x in the function, then solve for the value of f of x. So ibig sabihin, kapag mag-e-evaluate tayo, we need to substitute the value of x. Okay, ibig sabihin, ipapalit lang natin yung number doon sa x. Okay? For example, f of x is equals to x squared minus 3x plus 1. And x is equals to negative 2. Ibig sabihin, etong negative 2, ito yung value o ito yung equal ng x. At etong negative 2 na to, ang ipapalit mo o isa-substitute mo doon sa value ng mga x. Okay? So, that is evaluating polynomial function. So, ganun lang kasimple. So, magiging f of x is equals to negative 2 raised to 2 minus 3 times negative 2 plus 1. Okay? So, lahat ng x, pinalitan ko po ng negative 2. Okay? Kasi we are evaluating the value of x. Then, once na substitute natin lahat ng value ng x doon sa f of x, is solve na natin para mas makuha natin yung pinaka-final answer. Okay, so na-evaluate na natin o na-substitute na natin yung value ng x, which is the negative 2. So, solve na natin. So, negative 2 times negative 2. Again, hindi natin i-multiply si negative 2 kay raised to 2. Okay, ibig sabihin, like for example, negative 2 times 2, hindi po ganon. So, negative 2, i-multiply natin siya sa kanyang sarili ng dalawang beses. Kaya, negative 2 times negative 2 is equals to positive 4. Again, dapat marunong tayo sa integers. Okay, sa mga positive, negative. Again, so ito po, kapag negative times negative is equals to positive. Kapag negative times positive is always negative. Okay? Then, kapag positive times positive, of course, positive. So, dapat familiar po tayo sa integers. Okay? So, negative 2 times negative 2 is equals positive 4. Then, negative 3 times negative 2 magiging positive 6. Okay? Kasi parehas ng sign. Then, bring down 1. Okay. So, f of x is equals to 4 plus 6 is equals to 10. Then, 10 plus 1 is equals to 11. So, the answer is positive 11. So, ganun lang mag-evaluate ng polynomial function. Okay? Okay. Next, another example is f of x is equals to 2x squared plus 4x minus 3. So, the value of x is equals to negative 1. Okay, palitan natin lahat ng x ng negative 1. So, 2 times negative 1 raised to 2 plus 4 times negative 1 bring down 3. So, dito kapag ganyan, meron tayong rules. Again, meron tayong sinusunod na rules, which is PEMDAS. Parenthesis, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, and then subtraction. So, yun yung pagkakasunod-sunod. Negative 1 times negative 1 is equals to positive 1. So, 2 times positive 1 is equals to 2 plus positive 4 times negative 1 magiging negative 4. Then, bring down 3. Okay, so 2 minus 4 is equals to negative 2. Negative 2, bring down 3. So, negative 2 minus 3, kapag ganyan, parehas ng sign, addition. Pero negative ang sign. So, negative 2 minus 3 is equals to negative 5. Okay? So, ganun lang kasimple mag-evaluate ng polynomial function. I hope natuto ka sa video na to. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye!